Lesson 3:1 How to check work ratio. This graph shows a working ratio for 1 hour. Work ratio is in blue, no work ratio is in green. No work ratio might have some problems, such as unstable operation, machine failure, idle time due to delay from the upstream process, bad physical condition of the operator, and much time for a quality check due to unable to identify the defective goods. If the no work ratio gets over 30%, it should be improved. So, let's explore how to see on the system. Click on Graph, then Band Graph. Select the time to display from current time, specified time, or specified date. This time, I'll show you the current data. Select machines. You can select max 100 machines. After selecting, click on OK. It is better to check not only the bottleneck process but also the before and after process and the sewing quality in the floor.